Yeah, hello, amazing customers. Can you use 28,000 Ghana cedis on only a stone material to design your dream home in Ghana here? I'm here today to share with you the total cost of the stone material, our workmanship involved, and how many bags of cement you are using to beautify this luxury house here in New Botiano, located in Kaswa Road. Let's go. Yeah, hello amazing customers. I think like this be some of the best video that you have to watch for the beginning to the end, and yeah, so that you know every single cost involved before you give us a call, you see. Because if I tell you right now that this customer have spent maybe almost like 50,000 Ghana cedis now, you'll be doubt, you see. But I have to take my time and break the video down from the beginning to the end so that you know the total cost of what the customer have spent and why he spent that money. That is the very important thing. Why he spent that money. That is the very important thing. That I'm here today to share with you why the customer have involved 28,000 Ghana cedis on only on the stone material, before the cement, before our workmanship, and the scaffolding. So here be the environment. So the sea is just right here. The sea. So let's go. Yeah, so after this customer have built in dream home in Ghana here, he came and noticed that the house can't be complete without a natural stones. You see, the house can't be complete without a natural stones. That be why he leave a portion on the front, like this, for a natural stones only. He leave a portion for the natural stones only, you see. So as for this customer, he is one of my YouTube subscribers that watch my video on YouTube, and he fall in love with a gray color, you see. These are gray stones, you see. You see, this be the side of the house, you see. So he fall in love with. Yeah, so as for these stones now, we have the red color. We have a color like this, you see. The red one like this, and we have the gray one. So this be the gray one also. So as for this customer, he so Steven, I don't want the red color for inside, the gray color that. So the gray design that you did for a customer, that be what I want exactly and exactly, you see. In the beginning of everything, he was starting that, Steven, what you do and I see now, please, I want the same thing. Can you do the same work for me? I said, oh, boss, I'll do the same job for you. That be why we are making a video on post it or online, so that you see it. When you love it, now you give us a call and we do the same work for you, you see. So the process have taken almost like 1 month before then give us go ahead that we can supply the stones here, and we start the installation, you see. So so as for this contract now in the beginning, the plans is not to do everything like this, like side and side and side, like no. The plan is to do only the front view tier like this. That be the beginning plan. That be why I involve a qu'à for the beginning to do the job, you see. So after we started, that be where they change their mind that no, doing fully now, that will going to look beautiful than the tier the halfway. So And I tell the customer, so okay, the work there are there for you, and we are here to make you happy. So whatever you want, I will do it for you. And I let him know that although the one here will never be enough to complete everything, but we can be surprised the stone one after the other, one after the other until we have done. You see. So as for this job, based on the workmanship, the money that I have to take now, I couldn't take that money because we already started work before things have changed. So I have to look on that side also to just make the work possible and show the customer is heart willing job. I hope that you get me. So as we have involved the stone one now, at the end we have involved a 4 kia truss of stones. So based on where the customer is staying now, 1 kia truck cost him 7,000 Ghana cedis. 7,000 Ghana cedis. So the 7,000 Ghana cedis times 4, you get 28,000 Ghana cedis. I hope that you get me. You see, because 1 kia truck is 7,000 Ghana cedis, and the customer have involved 4 kia truck. So 4 kia times 7,000, you get 28,000 Ghana cedis for this whole job. You see, so I'm coming. I'll consult my brother to ask him how many bags of cement that they are used for this job. You see, so let me get closer. You see, I know that as you are watching me right now, you'll be asking yourself, "They are Steven, if my pillar is not straight now, can you do it for me?" The answer be yes, because as for our work, we have been using a level, a level and rope to make sure that everything is on point. You see, you make sure that everything is on point. You see, everything is on point. You see. So here, one thing about here be say, cause of here be careful. You see, here make careful 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3 like this. You know see that is big. You see, it's very big. You see, only this 1, 2, and 3 now can really cover all this face from down to top. Yeah, I hope that you understand me. Here take more stones. You see, so it look like here I've take 2 kia truck, and here also I've taken like 2 kia truck. That is making this 4 kia truck right now. You see, and when you are here now, look at the straightness. You see, look at the straightness of the work. Just look at the straightness of the work. That viewer, you are saying that if you build your dream home in Ghana here, and the beauty is not straight, you can do it using a natural stone to straighten the building for you. Once you have done, it is beautiful and forever. You see. And as for this job now, we have 2 types of installation. You see, we have 2 types of installation. One day now, the stones will sit on the stones, and one day there will be a space. You see. So what this customer choose now, it be a space work. This also is a beautiful design, so beautiful and so beautiful. You see, there will be a space like this, a nice space like this, looking beautiful and marvelous. Yeah, but here no, Mr. Cement cement nene Mr. Lafia. But I take 50 bags of cement. 40. Okay, around 40 bags of cement. Okay. Okay. So here my brother is saying that they are used around 40 bags of cement for this job. You see, around 40 bags of cement for this job. So you have to make a budget of 50 bags of cement. You see, 50 bags of cement will complete this job for you. You see, for you. And make sure my work. So right now, in Ghana here, 1 bag of cement is like almost like 110, depending on your location. So maybe like if you be 100 Ghana cedis times 50, will be like 5,000 Ghana cedis for the cement. You see, so that means the stone itself is 28,000, cement 5,000, and my work machine for this work it be too small. My work machine for this job, like for be like nothing less than 15,000 Ghana cedis. You see, it will be like nothing less than 15,000 Ghana cedis, but we are doing all this job for 10,000 Ghana cedis. You see, the meaning be say we have already started work before the things have changed. You see, you see. So sometimes now, it not be everything about money. It's about how to make the day possible, the work possible. That be also matter. That be also matter. You see, if you dey see my work, very neat and nice and beautiful. Once it's done, it is forever. No extra cost in the future. You see. So let's go to the top, but let me put camera on my top so that you're not seeing inside. You see. So here be the top. So here be the sea. Here be the sea. So now we have done with here and here too we have done. You see. So now you left with the thing like this here in front view. That's what left right now. That is what left right now. You see, when they give us a job, we do a very marvelous work for you. When they give us a job, we do a beautiful work for you on how you they see them right now. It not be cho. It be show working. Baba, man. But I take the 1K alone, blame. Come so let's go 1K. Yeah. Anna. I go reach 1K. Eh? Buy a piece inside, go fit go 1K. Yeah. You see, based on the stones now, and not every stones you go put for the front view. You see, some are wasted, some are tian. You see, as for the front view now, you have to do a good selection to do the front view. You see, so what you see right now, you need like okay, that means the stone material be 38,000, plus work machine 10,000, which is. Okay, that means 28,000 plus 10,000 will be 38,000 plus the cement. So you need a budget of 50,000 to do something like this here in Ghana. Here, you see, one thing about this job is you also have a off cutting that can do a similar thing, but the beauty is not going to be equal. You'll be like Steven. Somebody say the stone be like this, be like this, but the beauty is not going to be, because you have the off cutting of these stones and you have the special one. So we did this job with the special cutting stones. Yo. So we left only this portion, that tomorrow now you continue from there. Where you dey, give us a call, and our service is available across the country. The name is Steven Stone Design. Bye bye.